Hello and welcome to my show Baat Cheet. I am Pratiksha. Now the triple variant of the COVID virus is already out there in the world. This triple mutant is considered to be more dangerous than the double mutant we already have. What are these kinds of mutants? Coronavirus has various variants which are found on various geographical locations in the world. Now what the double mutant was, two kinds of variants came together to form a double mutant. It's all over the world that the triple variant is out there. We are living with the triple variant's existence. Triple variant means three different kinds of coronavirus variants came together to form a triple mutant. This can be more dangerous because vaccines are not being tried on these triple variants. Now, people are hastened to get vaccinated after getting the news of triple variant. Obviously, there are studies that these vaccines are effective against the double mutant, and it is considered that these vaccines might also turn out to be resulting fruitful results in the triple mutant. We have to see what exactly will this result into. Now, one more thing, which vaccine is the best? Which vaccine should I get so that it can provide me a better shield against this COVID? Now, the only simple answer to this question is whichever vaccine you get is the best for you. I'll elaborate it further that a scientist, Deborah Fuller, which is a vaccinologist in the University of Washington, she has clearly mentioned that whichever vaccines you use will eventually protect you. Now, we can't compare these vaccines. There's a big reason for not being able to compare these vaccines. For example, we have Pfizer, we have AstraZeneca. People wonder which vaccine is better? Should I get Pfizer or AstraZeneca? You can't compare them. When Pfizer was being prepared, COVID had just entered the world and the number of cases were less and there was only one variant of COVID. Whereas, AstraZeneca, which was prepared in South Africa, a second variant of corona was already emerging and was out there in the world. Also, the number of cases had increased. So to compare these kinds of vaccine, we have to try it on the same number of people, same type of people, same sort of people, and also in the same geographical location. Only then will we be able to compare these different vaccines. Even when it comes to India, various companies in the world came out with different vaccines, where India alone have a couple of made in India vaccines. One is Covishield and another is Covaxin. First of all, let's get the difference what Covishield and Covaxin, how are these both vaccines different? The first question arises is which of these vaccines is the best? When we come to Covishield, it's a viral sector vaccine. It uses a weakened, non-replicating strain of chimpanzee cold virus, also known as adenovirus, to carry genetic material of the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2 into human cells. Whereas, on the very other hand, Covaxin contains an inactivated SARS-CoV-2 strain, which is disabled for replication. However, the proteins are intact which are able to provoke the immunity of the host. Well, this is very clear that Covishield and Covaxin are very different from each other. One is made from a chimpanzee virus, whereas other contains SARS-CoV-2 strain, which is inactivated. So let's get this straight. A vaccine which is 90% effective on someone and 60% on another, it's not necessary that the 90% effective vaccine will be more effective on you over the 60% one. It might be possible that the 60% one gets more fruitful result on your body and protects you better than the 90% one. It totally depends on the immunity system of your body and the structure and the shape of your body, however you have provided the diet to your body. It totally depends on your body structure. Now, another question which arises is, can we get vaccines from two different companies while we get the two different doses? Like first time, if I want, I can get the first dose from Pfizer and another dose from Covishield. Now there's a research going on in Britain whether we should provide vaccines of different companies on the two different or sometimes even 3 different doses for the people. It is not necessary that you have to get the 2 doses from the same company. Study says that these two doses, if they are provided from different company, they tend to provide better result over getting the 2 doses from the same vaccine. Now this has a reason, because each of the vaccine, as I just defined Covishield and Covaxin, each of these vaccines have different kind of segment in them which fights against the corona inside us. In the end, all of these are designed to fight the spike protein inside us, so they will eventually protect us anyhow. But the study says that these two that getting vaccines from 2 different companies will provide a better shield than getting from the same one. Also, this is a tried and tested formula where it was, while the vaccines of hepatitis and rubella were formed, 2 different doses were given from 2 different companies, two vaccines of different companies, and they turned out to be more protective and they gave better results as compared to the former one. So apparently this can be a choice, that getting vaccines from 2 different companies. However, it's not a choice for you right now, because right now we have a system in which we have to get vaccinated from the same vaccine. Thank you so much. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share your views on this video and corona, the triple mutant of coronavirus, in the comment section below. Thank you so much.